Hello, this is Julius from Basic Financials. Today you're going to have a little update on the coronavirus help schemes that are out there. Just 3 that I want to concentrate on. I've already done videos about the job retention scheme and also the self-employment income support scheme and also some of the loans that are around. I just wanted to say that for the job retention scheme, there's been an extension. Originally it was going to apply for March, April and May. Well, it's now going on to the end of October. There are some slight changes and there's some detailed rules as usual, but have a look on the .gov website for the detailed rules. But basically from July, you're going to the employers are going to be able to make claims, but they're going to have to cover the employer's national insurance and the employer's pension contributions. Apart from that, it's as it was before. From August, employees will be able to go back work part-time as well, so you don't have to be completely off the payroll. So the employers will take people back as they need them. So they might be able to say maybe work 1 day out of 5 and then employ someone else for 1 day out of 5. And what they'll do is they'll pay the employee for what they actually work, and then the furlough scheme will kick in for the rest. Again, check the rules. It's basically the same 80%, but obviously only for the bit that you're claiming for. Not where you're actually paying them, and it's capped still and a proportionate rate as well. So it was £2,500 per employee. That'll be proportionate for however many hours they're working. From September, I think what's going to happen there is it's going to reduce down to, I think, 70%, and then from October it'll be, I think it's 60%. So, but just check those rules. I just really want to say that the scheme's being extended until the end of October, when it should stop, and it's phasing down. There's still quite generous support, but check out those detailed rules. I might have got some details wrong there, but just have a little look. And then the self-employment income support scheme, again, that's also been extended. That was due to, well, there's already been potential claims up to the end of May. Then in August, you'll be able to make another 3-month claim, whereas before it was 80% of your earnings capped at £2,500 a month. It'll now be 70% of your earnings capped at £2,500. Well, that's actually 70% of that, what that was. So if it was £7,500 before, it'll be 70 over 80 times £7,500, if that was the maximum amount of claims. So instead of 80%, it's 70%. But okay, so you got another 3 months worth of claim there, so watch out for that. You can make another claim in August for that. Now, those are those 2 important schemes that have been updated. The other scheme is the bounce back loan. I have talked a bit about that. They've proved to be quite effective. Obviously the banks are much more willing to lend when the government are supporting 100% of the loan, and the loans have been very quick to apply for and get the money in. So bounce back loans, definitely you can only get maximum of 50,000, but well worth having a look at if you've been affected and you need working capital to keep your business going. Definitely apply for a bounce back loan. There's no interest to pay or repayments in the first year, and then you'll repay it over the next probably 4 years, I think, maybe 5 years. But actually check out the scheme rules. But definitely worth doing. I think it's 2.5% interest rate after the first year, and no fees either. Worth noting. So it's very quick. Get the money in quickly. Good scheme. Right, I think that'll probably do. I hope that helps a bit with the update. I hope you're managing to survive with your businesses and getting on okay through this period. and hopefully we'll come out of it soon. Things are starting to move now, but we shall see. If you'd like and subscribe, if you've got any comments, leave them in the box below as usual, and I'll see you again for another video soon. Thanks.